In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping address. Keeping your shipping details current ensures your orders arrive at the right place without delays or returns, and the process only takes a minute once you know where to look. Start on the eBay homepage and make sure you're signed in. Move your mouse over your name in the upper right corner to open the account menu. From that drop-down, click Account Settings. This takes you to the main area where you manage your profile and preferences. On the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled Addresses and select it. This is where eBay keeps all address-related options in one place so you can quickly review what's on file. Once you're in the Addresses area, find the Shipping Address section. This is the address eBay will use for most purchases unless you choose something different during checkout. Next, choose Edit in the Shipping Address section. You'll be taken to a dedicated shipping address page where your current details are displayed. Here, click Edit next to your existing shipping address to open the form and make changes. You'll see standard fields like street address, apartment or unit number, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Type carefully and include any apartment, suite, building, or floor details to help carriers deliver without confusion. Use standard abbreviations recognized by postal services and double-check your postal code for accuracy. If the site suggests a standardized version of your address, review it and use the suggested format if it matches your location. That helps reduce delivery exceptions. If you recently moved, make sure the address you enter is the one you want eBay to use for future purchases. Keep in mind that updates here won't change the address on an order that's already been placed. So for any in-progress order, you may need to reach out to the seller through your order details if a change is required. After you've made your edits, review the page to confirm the details look correct. It's a good idea to scan for typos and confirm that your unit or apartment information didn't get left out. Once the page updates, return to the Addresses section to visually confirm the shipping address now reflects your new information. That's it. By hovering over your name, opening account settings, selecting addresses, going to shipping address, and choosing edit, you've successfully updated where your packages will be sent. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to check out with confidence knowing your items are headed to the right place.